Ulilana mkazi water is better than fire. Era kitanga zingani maybe they will train. Young people say, to get another motion, mother is better than the father. Yes! What's over? You learn it. Ndagala kuni. Kona ni watu wale motion. Kuna kama class. Our motion. Where is the thing says? Water is better than fire. Let us have program from proposal. Water is better than fire. Proposal. Ukabache sleep and fire. Fire is not water. What do you see? Fire. What do you see? Don't use my phone, please. Let us have program. What to propose at the side. Water is better than fire. Thank you, sir, Mr. Chairman, Secretary, Timekeeper, Mr. House at large. As the motion says, Sabini says that water, fire is better than water. And I'm proposing a motion with my following views. Should I continue? Continue. So my first view says that in Uganda we have a singer called Winnie March. She's called Fire Baby. So their fire is better than what? Water. Fire Baby. So we watch every man from his heart. So she's called Fire Baby. She's not called Water Baby. So a singer called me, Master Paul Basina says to him, okay, with the fire. Fire, there's a with the fire. Fire, so they are fire with money. Fire is not water. Even the singer of one comes from the fire base. So they are fire. Even the singer of the pool once was in fire anthem. Fire what? Fire what? They are fire is not water. Should I continue? When you go to church, you will find the pastor always says fire. It says what? It says what? So he burns the devils. Like they say fire. So they are fire. So that what? Water. And another thing, when a man is asking a woman, fire is fierce. Let me tell you, fire is fierce. Everyone fears fire. Everybody here fears fire. No man can request fire from a woman. No man. No. Let's take it some fire. So, with that way, what is but that way is too big. When you look here, every man looks so bad. And the woman, when you hold your they are on that point. I conclude by saying water is better than what? Why? Because there is a woman. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Secretary, I will give up as the house of God. Good evening, class. How are you? You're okay? The motion says that Bible says, Father is better than Mother. And we have Honorable Okoromo Peterson from out there. In that next week, us to do. You are opposed? He's opposing the motion. Father is better than Mother. You are opposing the motion. Introduce Two.